Today I'm making flourless zucchini brownies. They're gluten-free and dairy-free, but still rich, soft and fudgy. Start off by preparing the zucchini. Finely grate it using a microplane grater if you don't want to see any visible shreds in the brownies. Then gently squeeze out some of the excess moisture with your hands. Then prepare the brownie batter by adding the almond butter, coconut sugar, maple syrup and vanilla extract to a mixing bowl and stir until well combined. Crack in the egg and mix again until the batter is smooth. Then stir in the zucchini. Next, add the cocoa powder, baking powder and salt to the bowl and stir to combine. I'm using Dutch processed cocoa powder for a smoother chocolate flavour. Finally, fold in some chopped dark chocolate. Tip the mixture into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper and smooth the top with the back of a spoon. Then bake in the oven until a toothpick inserted into the centre comes out almost clean. While the brownies are cooling, stir together some almond butter, maple syrup, cocoa powder and a pinch of salt until smooth and creamy. Once the brownies are completely cold, spread the frosting evenly over the top. Then you can finish with shaved dark chocolate before slicing into pieces. And that's it. Rich and fudgy flourless zucchini brownies with an easy chocolate frosting. Thanks for watching and enjoy.